Alright. Now we're going to do a quick report on the Stinger P9-T. And let's see if he's shooting it. We're going to shoot up at this bike rack. We've got some cannons and the ramps aligned. So let's go with a couple of shots first. Now, first it is pump action and
fail.
Pretty accurate from close range. I'm not very accurate with these, so
Close.
it curves up a little bit. Usually, even when the wind's coming down, it's still pretty low. It's not easy to find that. I just hit one of the poles. Now, the power on this is 350 feet per second. So it goes about a football field every second. If fired correctly with no wind and stuff. And we better watch out for bullets coming down off the recoil, because this is not good. Alright, we only got a couple more shots left. Don't throw us! Get out of the way, Brody! Alright. How was that? You can? No. It's retarded. You can stop and reshoot.
Is that pausing it?
No. Do not hit the net like that.
This is not working. Does everybody get out?
Alright.
We should go look back
I'm
there.
taking a couple more shots. Alright. It's gonna be the final shot. Alright, my report on the gun is it's pretty good. If you're gonna be on an indoor range, it's going to be really good for you. Outdoor range, not so much. As you see, you're shooting about 50 feet.
That far?
About 50 feet, yeah. And it's not completely accurate, but you're going to be able to hit a person. So, alright, that's my report.
Wait, what about a rating? 5.
1 through 10, I'd give it a 6.
Okay.
See ya.